Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. Today I'll show you how to make a killer Daiquiri cocktail. This Cuban masterpiece is one of the best known rum cocktails out there. Here's everything you need to know about how to mix it like a pro. 1. Begin by chilling a martini glass in the freezer or filling it with ice water while you prepare the cocktail. 2. Add simple syrup. To make your own, mix equal parts sugar and water in a saucepan. Heat it until the sugar dissolves, then let it cool. 3. Using a jigger or measuring tool, pour in 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of white rum, 3/4 or 20 milliliters of fresh lime juice, and half an ounce or 15 milliliters of simple syrup. 4. Add the measured rum, lime juice, and syrup into a cocktail shaker filled with ice cubes. Secure the shaker's lid tightly and shake the mixture vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds. This not only chills the ingredients, but also creates a nice froth. 5. Discard the ice from the chilled shaker and use a strainer to pour the shaken mixture into the martini glass. 6. Garnish the daiquiri with a lime wedge on the rim of the glass for a decorative touch. Your delicious daiquiri is ready to drink. Enjoy! I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.